Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, hi, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you go to the platform. You see, you don't know. See? Yo, England are born up. Nah, telling a lie. See, little breeze are blow out there today, so we give thanks. You know, see. Anyway. Yeah, welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure help grow the platform. See, share, like, and share. See, now, a year or so ago, or over a year ago, we did start a conversation regarding the police hit squad where they are Jamaica, how enough elite, upper echelon members of the society use them people here to carry out them crime rather than, have to go down in the ghetto and get associated or affiliated with them because who might get catch. Even though there's no consequence, it's still safe to work with the police because they're more accessible, it look like, or more they have more access to, more resourceful. See, so what go on then now, we have a little story we want to read to the eye them. Seen happening in a recent time. I don't see none of the big media them carry it as such, but you don't know. It there in a Loop media, Loop Jamaica. And we're going to read it to the eye them and show and say, serious issues like them, them things you have to depend on the prime time news every day. Because at the end of the day, if standard not set for suppress the wave of crime and the crime influence across Jamaica. It just goes to show, say, higher echelons benefit when crime go on in Jamaica, and I've been breaking it down day by day, little by little, in a my little, what you call it, uncivil way. See, so, hopefully the people them in my demography, or from my demography, we understand why I'm going to deal it, see, and see the evidence, see the vision. See, yeah. So, I can read this a little and we dig back in it, we delve back in them things. Matter of fact, we are going to make the item listen to the article.
Murder probe, 2 cops in custody, search for another who fled island. The police high command has confirmed that 2 policemen are now in custody and a search launched for another, who has reportedly left the island as local authorities intensify their probe into the murder of a Tyler in Red Hills Road on Saturday. Deputy Commissioner of Police Bailey in a press conference on Monday said the police and the Independent Commission of Investigation are currently carrying out the probe. What we can say in that matter is that 2 police officers are in custody and another has fled the island. Police are working with international partners to locate that person, Bailey said. Reports are that 49-year-old Philip Wallace of a Greenglide Close address in St. Andrew was on Saturday standing in the community when a white Toyota Axio motorcar drove up. Allegations are that 3 men alighted from the vehicle and opened fire on Wallace. Reports are that a woman who was also shot at escaped without injury.
Yeah. I hate that. No, one more unbelievable than anything else in the whole incident here is that 3 police officers you can hear. Seen? 2 get arrested, 1 run again somewhere. See, now, want everybody where they everywhere, somewhere. Look out for the boy. See, them boy forget return. Them boy forget inform pan. Yes, Rasta. Now, watch out now, foreigner. People when they are foreigner, them boy run come to. Look you know. If a US there, A $200 the boy charge for kill the man. $100,000 the three of them get for kill the man up a Red Hills Road. $100,000. $100,000 for 3 policemen. A box food money that Rasta. That can't even pay your monthly mortgage. A box food money the man them carry. The man them use for the murder. Them take for the murder. Another Jamaican. And then now them, them is a member of an institution that swear to protect against and prevent them type of thing from happening in Jamaica or anywhere, Rasta. See it? Police. Now, regardless of what I want, care how bad things is, you can't tell me, say, it worth it in the long run. See? For you risk your career and the whim that you might get away with murder like this, as you do every day. You see? Anyway, that time it catch up on you. Now, all of the friends them and family members of this guy we are protecting my brother. Remember, say enough people, no matter what him tell you, say, enough unsolved crime here at Jamaica. Right here now, we are good at this same boy are responsible for. You see it? And we there blame gunman and say, yeah, gunman responsible. A whole lot, the gangster them, the politician them and everybody responsible. It's not, the police is just a little, me I say, factor in the whole equation, but nonetheless, a main player. You see it? And not just them police here alone, I don't want to get delusional or think it, You see it? $100,000 them get for go kill the man, and them car license plate get catch on a camera, and them track it back and see the car registered to a policeman. Now, you drive your car, go on a criminal endeavor, Rasta, hungry, no normal down there. Me can't look on it no other way. Which is a lie. And I shouldn't put that in the question because it's not the case. Consequences non-existent in Jamaica. That's why them boy can go risk a full police career. Figure do that. Because 90% of the police officers them have a visa. Who don't have a visa no apply for none yet. See? So in so doing them have, if things did that tough and wicked, them could have easily well run away abroad, go work even part-time sometime and come back. Make up a thing. But that's not the case. So go visit them man, they go visit, and when them come back, them live like a drugs, them go firing, go sell. See, them live good, balanced and clean than the average ghetto youth. See. So, if a man go pick up 30 grand, 30,000 Jamaican dollars and say more do a crime like that for the cost of 30 grand Rasta, it's only because him know say the likelihood for him get found out and arrested is little or non-existent, and even if him get found out and arrested, it can be covered. See, like it is being done, even at this point, because we don't see the great coverage in the media and a great communication from the police service authority. Them guys, you hear them come out and I do a press conference and them thing there, and I demand help from the public to bring back this guy and I point him out and I publicize him photograph and all them thing there. Even right now in the media, the 3 guys them name no call. I want to feel shift up on the run and them still no mention him name in the media. It's like there is a level of cover up still a go on. We don't hear the glean and run with them thing, and that's with the area FM. Which is why it good at simply means that the people them don't even know about them development here. See it? Still being covered up by the said police. We are complaining about crime and violence. How about try being an example to the youth them wanna try convert, or a try impress, or a try reach out, communicate with. Why try being an example with them sort of thing here. This is prime example. See, the pursuance, arrest, investigation, and conviction of them criminal here. You know, it would mean a lot to a whole heap of youth who who intend to go down a certain route. But when them see man look and see the police, a cover up police for do crime, hitman work like them, yeah. What do you think the youth them all feeling of themselves? How much level of, you know, respect you feel like them all have for you when them see you and come at them? What sort of deterrent do you think you yourself now is? You know see it, Rasta? You know see it? Can't have them people here and keep them secret here. Long time it a go on. Because they did have a hitman squad up at Armand Barracks. And when it exposed, all the Prime Minister do a lock it down. This ban it, you know, you're no conviction, no investigation, no nothing. You lock it down on an allegation. Rasta, you lock down a whole police squad on an allegation. Without no proof, you know, do the investigation, no matter. Because if any such thing, the easiest way that for cover up all of the active player them and all of who responsible for using them police money to carry out them dirty works. One of the easiest way to cover up that I just totally disband, rubbish, tear down, dash away all of the record them and document them. We could have linked anybody to the criminal enterprise that police squad was, Rasta. You know see it? We're not so stupid. Very easy and lazy. Not even lazy, but criminal. It's a criminal conspiracy and a cover up that by the Prime Minister when him disband the Armand Barracks police squad. We know that. Because no consequence never set up, nobody wasn't brought to bear. So you still have them half shooter, them guys who still go round and do contract killing for box food money because them can't get away with it. There is no risk for assess. Them just show them ID and go through. Them couldn't even bother wait. Them couldn't even bother change the license plate on the car, Rasta. Them couldn't bother change that. Man just driving personal car, go mash our work, same way. You know, see it? And I'm not desperate, you know. I tell you, I'm not desperate, you know, Rasta. I'm not desperate, I'm not that desperate. You know, see it? And just because there is no little or no consequence, Rasta, the most likely consequence is a man go run remand and there is no witness for come turn up. Them saying go kill the witness. Same police, them you do it too. Because if you get police to go up and murder, how you can't get police to give a witness details? Why you not can't get a police? That simple and cheap and the police now for do not more than pass on some information. For him conscience clear and I him pull the trigger as far as for him morals concern in a Jamaica Rasta. You see? Witness the safe. Nobody business no safe. Informer no safe. Because if we tell one police today will benefit him in a conviction, and when it benefit him for a bribe, him just release the information to whoever, you know see it? No consequence. Everybody does a freestyle and operate at them own accord, Rasta. And this is how the whole thing add up. This is how it appears. You can't go out. We're not so stupid if we just there look on it any other way. You know see? No, we're not so stupid, Rasta. You know see it? You know? And when you have people like, hey, I want to talk about. When you have people like them, I want to come talk about. Man like me mash up Jamaica. Man like me mash up Jamaica. Me do more for Jamaica, my corner, my place than where them boy I do. Them boy are no plan for solve crime. Them boy no prevent crime, sorry. Them boy no prevent crime. I solve them boy I come solve it. You know see it? I mean, and the crime now solve. You know see it? Enough of that I man do. Enough of them thing the I man prevent. Enough youth I man encourage and inspire for go to school. Enough youth have them little accolades now regardless how it is. And you know see it, I'm forcefully badness too. We have to use an intimidation. Yeah, that business. Yeah, go to school. Yeah, I'll intimidate mother and father too. mother and father step up to the plate and know say, don't want a box down. Plain and simple. You see it? Yeah. I mean that. People used to move come in my era. Used to come in my era come look house for rent. Yeah. Yeah, we not blow the trumpet. So it's not like say we don't know how things can develop or get from worse to better. Like we don't know. And we know the benefit to the youth them, to the step of them. Because we can't tell the youth to stop stepping up. We can't tell the youth to stop step. And then they go dead. We can't tell them that. And then now, the things that we are drawing them to step in. I think like them, we are the police and the hitman work and all them things. There's like, what you think a youth will feel? Or you think a youth, what sort of level of morals them youth are going to uphold? We can't tell them youth to stop step. Me not tell them to stop step. I just say step with moderation. I want to not step with a cart. Step for a change, Rasta. See? Step for a change. And no say, we don't have plan for step forever. If I go no love at some point, aim for go get a license firearm then. Aim for go corporate. Aim for take over some aspect of the day-to-day living, your grandson, your great-grandson day-to-day living. Life is not just till 25, Rasta. Even I used to think that way there. So I know where I say, deep in the eye consciousness, subconsciousness, not something that I would already listen down and discuss or admit to I am a counterpart or bridging them at the time. You see it? But now, I man know say, yeah, but this was a main worry. Oh, my mother gonna bury me. You see it? And it make him more desperate and want to do more and more to try to accumulate that funding. whether by association, like for instance, the thing them where you do the people them where you earn them respect and things like that will eventually contribute and bury you. And them start of sitting there. So it becomes now like a rolling stone, to be fair. You see, everybody toss and turn you and use you. Is after that opinion, not knowing say you just try create that assurance, insurance, a life insurance. Yes, Rasta. You don't see it. It's not a joke. You don't see it. Yeah. We have a police them behave them way, Rasta. Oh, if you tell you them otherwise. 3 policemen too, you know. Oh, if you tell how you them. You just be safe. Channel it in our cars where you can't change the nobody don't want to be gunman favor Rasta. I know say enough on the way. Wishing you could have wake up and go to work and go sweep all the street and get on 100 grand a week. Because of that on the deserve and the country can afford to pay it. If at that it costs to live, at that on the deserve, Rasta. And it's because the country can, because them costs of living in a go up because, you know what, we are going on a different day. But everything come with its effect. You know see it, and everybody have to adjust them system for match what go on. You know see it. And just the people them alone I get short change. I no change at all. You see, and the gunman them whether they waste time and I go on like you eat that. You have to focus and demand that change for poor people and get the people and stop going like a vampire on the one turn in and suck off of the blood and off of poor people when they can make things better for them and be heroes and live like men of esteem, Rasta. See how the police them are going there. Anyway, I give thanks. No, enough love and respect to my brother anyway there in the world, you know. In America, we know say, yeah. And you have to take care of yourself. And we not call me. Big up the big man again, you know. A long time big man from day one day that straight we put George Flash and Tony Brown on road. We still wish the eye, health and strength, manners and respect here, sir. Yes, sir.